Hello everybody, how are you and welcome to my channel. Today the theme of my video is still about the crochet bookmark, and in this video I would like to share with you a tutorial on how to crochet and applique heart patterns which can be used as a marker for finding a special page and place in your book. This is what it looks like. For your information, this beautiful applique heart pattern is made of treble, double, half double, single crochet, picot stitch and long basic chain. So, kindly watch every second of this video to find out the detail of these patterns, and don't forget to click like button and share this video with everyone around you. But if you are new to my channel, kindly click subscribe buttons. Okay, now everyone, let's get started. The material I'm going to be using for creating this adorable pattern, these small amounts of yarns. This yarn is so tiny and shiny. It is made in Malaysia. And the crochet hook number 7. This is a Tulip brand, one of my favorites. This is made out of Japan. Okay, firstly I'm going to make slip knot and chain 6. I used 3 layers of yarns to fit it with the size of my crochet hook. Okay, now slip knot is done. 6 basic chains. Basic chains are the most essential stitches in almost all crochet projects, so everybody who loves crochet need to know how to create these basic chains. Okay, after making 6 basic chains, I'm gonna make 4 treble crochet in the 4th stitch from hook or in the 4th chains from hook. 1 treble crochet, 2, 3, 4. Now 2 double crochet in next 1 stitch. 1, 2. One half double crochet in the last stitch. 1 single crochet in the same stitch. Chain 1 and make a picot stitch on the top of single crochet. Make 1 more half double crochet in the same stitch. Okay, now I'm gonna mirror back the stitches. Make 2 double crochet in this stitch. One, 2, 4 treble crochet in the next stitch. One, 2, 3, 4, then chain 2, 1, 2, and make a slip stitch in this space. Let me cut this yarn tail first. Now turn the work upside down and make middle chain stitches. Now make a long chain. Now cut the yarn. And don't forget to ravel the yarn tail. Well everyone, this adorable bookmark is ready now. I hope you like this pattern. Thank you so much for watching my video, and thank you so much for those who have subscribed to these channels. Happy crochet and see you on the next video.